Abdali Grammar School. Primary Mathematics 2nd. Lesson Numbers 2000. Chapter number 1. Lecture number 3. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Today we are going to learn about comparing and ordering numbers. First of all, we have to know what is comparing. Compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. The second question is, what is ordering? Ordering means putting things into their correct place. Ordering numbers means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. For example, in ascending order, check the smallest number from the given list and place it first, and then put the numbers according to the increasing order. Now, comparing and ordering two digits number. Let's see and count the first example. As you know, each stake has 10 blocks. So, count the stake with me. 1 stake, 2 stakes. It means we have 2 tens. Now, count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones. What is the number? The number is 24. 24 is equal to 2 tens and 4 ones. Now look at the next number. Count the stakes. 1 stake, 2, 3. There are 3 stakes, means 3 tens. Now count the separate blocks of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 separate blocks, means we have 6 ones. What is the number? The number is 36. 36 is equal to 3 tens and 6 ones. Let's count the stakes of next number. How many stakes are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 stakes. Now count the separate blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 blocks, mean 9 ones. What is the number? The number is 39. 39 is equal to 3 tens and 9 ones. Now, we compare the first two numbers 24 and 36. Keep in mind, start by comparing the leftmost digits which are in tens place. You can see there are 2 tens and 3 tens. We compare 2 tens and 3 tens. 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens. So, we can say 24 is smaller than 36. Next, we compare the next two numbers 36 and 39. In 36, we have 3 tens, and in 39, we have also 3 tens. 3 tens are same in 36 and 39. You can see in 36 we have 3 tens and in 39 we have 3 tens. What should we compare then? We compare the ones number 6 ones and 9 ones. 9 ones is greater than 6 ones. So we can say 39 is greater than 36. Now arrange the numbers in order. Start from the greatest. Which number is the greatest? Yes, 39 is the greatest number. After 39, we have the greater number is 36. After 36, we have the last and the smallest number is 24. We put the numbers in ordering from greatest to smallest. Next, comparing and ordering 3 digits number. Which number is smaller, 352 or 345? Firstly, count the 100 blocks with me. 100, 200, 300. Yes, there are 300. Now count the stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stakes are there? Yes, there are 5 stakes, means 5 tens. Count the blocks of ones. 1, 2. We have only 2 blocks of ones. What is the number? Firstly, look at the table of place value. 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 2 ones. The number is 352. Let's count the next number. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 300. Count the stakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 stakes, means 4 tens. Now count the ones number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 ones. It means 300, 4 tens and 5 ones. What is the number? The number is 345. Now we compare the both number 352 and 345. The digit in 100 place is 3 in both numbers. Look at here. 3 is in 100 place. The digit in hundreds are same. What should we compare next? Yes, we compare the digits in the tens place. In tens, we have 4 and 5 tens. As you know, 4 ten is small than 5 ten. It means 5 ten is greater than 4 tens. So we can say 352 is greater than 345. We write it as 352 greater than 345. Now we will be comparing number up to 1000. The best way to compare large number, compare each place value starting from the leftmost digit. For example, we have the number 827 and 632. Start by comparing the leftmost digit, which is in 100 place, 8 and 6. The question is 8 greater than or less than 6? Yes, you got it. 8 is greater than 6. So, 827 is greater than 632. If we change the 100 number 6 to 8, look at the number. We change the number 6 to 8. The number is now 832. Can you help me to compare 827 and 832? Again, start with the 100 place. In 100, there are 8 in both numbers. So, we compare the next number, that is tens number 2 and 3. Is 2 greater or less than 3? Yes. As you know, 2 is less than 3. So 827 is less than 832. It means if we have the same number in 100, so we go to the next number to compare and we got the answer which number is greater and which number is less. Now compare 827 and 822. We change the tens numbers in 2. Is 7 greater or less than 2? Yes, you got it. Clearly, 7 is greater than 2. It means 827 is greater than 822. Now, let's put these numbers in order. Means arrange these numbers in order from smallest to greatest. The numbers are 827, 632, 832, 822. The smallest number is 632. After 632, the big number is 822. After 822, the next number is 827. And after 827, we have the biggest number is 832. The arrangement is smallest to greater is 632, 822, 827 and 832. I hope you understand the concept of comparing and ordering numbers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.